morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Workout has just finished and it was a blast, a blast, a blast. When you're working out, you have to find the best playlist. Find something that completely distracts you from working out, and the killer hype playlist is what do it for me. Listen, when I listen to some real hardcore Jamaican dancehall music, oh gosh, man, it completely take my mind off the working out, and I just kill it every single time. So workout was a success this morning. After all that I eat yesterday, this week I have to go in on this week, okay? Even though I don't really care about what I eat yesterday. Yes, Tyler is here trying to fix his train track, but one of his track is missing, and he just finished eating chocolate toast. This one of them is missing, so this one won't be able to fit. Can you say good morning, Fabs? How are you? How are you? Don't be sad. He's sad because one of his track is missing, so that this can't close because one is missing, and he's really sad about it. I don't know where it is. So this part right here cannot connect. Each time you try to connect it, something breaks. It's broken, fix it. Fix it, put it on. It's because one is missing. I don't know where one is. Mama is gonna have to help you to search for it. So that one is missing. Yeah, it's missing. Where is it? I don't know where it is. Where's the train? Mama don't know where's the train. Tyler's gonna have to look for it. Anyway, you guys, it's Monday, so happy Monday. Baby's off to work. I don't know if he vlogged this morning, but if he did, then you guys would have seen him before this. But if not, you guys will catch up with him later. Workout just finished, and now I am going to make some celery juice, of course, and then jump in the shower. I'm gonna jump in the shower and get fresh because today is work day for me. So celery juice is what's about to go down in my juicer right now, and then breakfast in about an hour or so after that. So make sure you guys have an amazing day, have an amazing week. Kill your workout, whatever type of exercise it is that you do, just do it with passion, do it with love, and the results will come. Anyway, you guys, have a good day, and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Juice is all ready. Yes, pumpkin. Juice. It's juice. Yes, Mama is making juice. And that's my cup of goodness for the day. Yes. Yes, the TV is off. You ready to go take a bath and take a nap? Yeah, it's nap time. You know, we're not going to school today. You're going... Papa is coming home to take care of you today. We're going to school tomorrow. Yeah, that's okay. School with Papa. Papa going to pick you up from school tomorrow. Yes, we're going to nap now, okay? And take a bath. Okay? You guys, I've been so busy, but it's time to give Tyler a bath and give him and let him take a nap. I fed him lunch and got me breakfast, so I'm going to give him a bath, quick bath, a very warm one because he's a bit stuffy, and then put him down for a nap real quick. You ready to nap, pumpkin? Ready to nap? Okay. Okay, let's go. Mama. Yes. Oh, yes, I'm going to brush your teeth. Ready to brush your teeth first? This is huh? Oh, come and brush your teeth. you guys, this salad is so good. You guys should try it and let me know. I made this salad for lunch just now. It's salmon, avocado, a little corn, and some tomatoes and lettuce. It's so filling, and I put just a little sauce soja over it. It tastes so good. Look at it. Look at all those colors. It's so good. Comment down below and let me know what you guys are having for lunch today, or what you guys will have for lunch today. Let me know. Hey guys, I've been so consumed with work. I've been so busy trying to get ready and getting all the things together. I didn't even show you guys what I made for dinner, but I just did something in a real flash because I made slow cooked chicken from last night, which is right here, and I made some steamed veggies and sweet potato for the boys. So that's what dinner is going to be for tonight. You want Pringles? Your little hand can't reach in it. So I'm going to pack my dinner real quick and head off to work, leaving you with this handsome one that just got home, and Tyler. So I'll catch you guys later.
And with a walking out outfit.
Yeah. Alright, you guys, I'll leave you guys with Tyler and Babe.
Hi guys, happy afternoon, because I didn't see you today. Yeah, I just I'm come back home from work, and as usually on Monday, take care of Tyler. But Tyler's very quiet today. Yeah, hear him. Yeah, it's Monday, so. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Violet. Violet, bravo. So Monday is my workout day. So yeah, I felt a little pain on my legs Saturday, so didn't want it to.
Oh, papa.
Oui. C'est quoi? Good job. Yes, I felt a little pain, so didn't want it to force too much on the running today. So I just run a little bit to warm myself. And yeah, now I'm gonna do. C'est quoi?
5.
Bravo! So now I'm gonna. Oui? Oui? 55. So just warm up, run a little bit, 10 minutes to warm up myself, and now I'm gonna do like 50 minutes, 1 hour of abs. So yeah, whenever you feel a little pain, or just trying to stay motivated and do abs thing that I can do. So yeah, I'm feeling great. So that's it for today. That was a nice little workout session, some abs, trying to remember what I did on Saturday with Babe. So yeah, that was a cool, a good moment. Feel exhausted now, so just gonna take a shower and yeah, gonna take care of Tyler. He's watching TV, quiet as, yeah, very quiet. So let me do what I wanted to do. So yeah, thanks to him.
Hey faves, we're coming. We actually just put Tyler down. But you guys haven't seen me since I got back from work. Hey guys, hey. We just put Tyler down for the night and just coming on the end of the vlog real quick because your girl needs to go get some tea. My stomach is not feeling so 100. I feel like I need to digest, so I need to have some tea. Give it a Jamaican expression real quick. Why are you laughing at me?
Just the Jamaican things. When you don't feel well, you need to get some tea.
Of course, some tea or some soup.
That's Jamaican things.
Whatever. It works though.
You drink water, salt water.
Salt water when you have diarrhea, you want your stomach to stop hurt you. Anyways, it works though. The Jamaican expression for today is going to be a love word. Ease off the insulting word. It's going to be bunununos.
Bunununos?
Yes. You got that really good. Buddha is someone very special to you, so baby, it's not Buddha. It's someone or something very special to you. Buddha. So baby, it's my Buddha. Alright, you guys, so there you have the Jamaican expression of the day. Look at his face. What's the French word for today?
I don't know if I should tell it because it's not a good one this time.
It's okay.
But yeah, I'm gonna tell you that's a cool one. The French expression for today will be peau de vache. Peau de vache is
For the horse?
No, peau is the skin and vache is a cow. So it's like the skin of the cow.
Okay.
When you treat someone as peau de vache, is the skin of a cow, mean this is a mean person. This is like someone, yeah, a mean person.
Okay.
So a peau de vache is not
Okay.
good. Peau de vache is a rude way to say mean. Very
Okay.
rude way to say mean.
Okay.
Say
Peau
it.
de vache.
Peau de vache. Your
Peau de
peau de
vache.
vache?
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Anyway, you guys, there you guys have the Jamaican and French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
And don't be a peau de vache. Yes, it's okay to be a peau de vache sometimes.
No, it's not okay.
It is. It is okay, okay? Don't be scared. Be a peau de vache to who you need to be a peau de vache to sometimes. Anyway, you guys, subscribe if it's your first time watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. And thank you guys for...
4,000.
Yay! We're at 4,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. We love every single one of you. Give this video a thumbs up, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.